Hey folks, Joe here. With the holiday season almost upon us, it's that time of year again for the Eastwood Holiday Gift Guide. Whether you're buying for yourself or a loved one, I'm here today to lay out a few options to help you out this holiday season. Let's talk about it. So out the gate, if you want to make a big splash this holiday season, you can treat yourself or a loved one to a welder. Two that really stand out on the gift guide. One is our MIG 135 welder. Now to me, this is the perfect introductory MIG welder unit available. Few reasons. One, this unit operates on a 120 volt outlet, very common in almost every garage. Also the versatility. It can weld anywhere from 24 gauge all the way to 3/16 inch thick steel. Also right now you can find this unit for less than $300. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Best bang for your buck MIG welder. So if you're not necessarily into MIG welding, we also have phenomenal TIG welders. My best option is going to be the TIG 200 Ac DC Welder. Now this is our newly launched, updated version of our classic TIG 200 AC DC, but this one comes packed with all the bells and whistles that the pros like to use. Things like rocker style foot pedal, a gas lens kit, flex head torch. All these little things you'll probably add on down the road just come standard now with our unit. Plus versatility. It can operate on 120 volt or 240 volt. It can weld up to a 1/4 inch thick at that full 240 volt power supply. And right now you can catch it for $150 off. Great savings on a great unit. So whether you're going with the MIG or TIG, whether for yourself or the best surprise ever for the loved one, those are two great options. Now, moving on. I'm going to break down a few options in a category I like to call around the shop. Things that any gearhead or even just enthusiast will probably want in their garage. Out the gate, we have our hydraulic wheel dollies. These are perfect for maneuvering a vehicle around a shop with ease. We sell them in packs of 2, and these hydraulic wheel dollies can support up to 1,300 pounds each dolly, which is pretty dang impressive. Each dolly can support tires up to 12 inches wide, so think everything from the standard tires on your daily driver, radials, big fat mud tires. As long as they're narrower than 12 inches, they'll work just fine. Again, great option. Next up on the list is our 6-inch Orbital polisher and sander. Now this thing's not only great for someone who's using it for the sanding effect, where you can tear into Bondo and bodywork on a car or strip through layers of paint, but I particularly like it for, well, detailing a vehicle. It's got a 6-inch buff pad, and it's a really great option for making whatever you're driving, your daily driver, your classic car, shine and look its best. This unit is extremely versatile. It's got the standard 5/16 by 24 arbor, which means most pads and backing plates that you find will work fine with this unit. Also, it's got a powerful 7.5 amp motor with variable speed controls right on the unit. That's a really nice touch for dialing in the settings to get the exact polish you're looking for. Again, the Orbital polisher sander, it's a no-brainer for anybody who has a classic car. And lastly, in the shop life category, I highly recommend picking up one of our Eastwood rolling shop trays. It's a very convenient rolling tray that allows you to keep tools, manuals, laptops at an arm's reach no matter where you're working out in the vehicle. The rolling shop tray is made of a heavy-duty steel construction and can support up to 100 pounds on the shelf, which is perfectly adequate for any tools or manuals or things you'll probably put on it while you're working. Also, really nifty feature is the tray has adjustable height settings. It can go anywhere from 18 inches up to 50 inches tall, depending on if you're working below the car, above the car, what have you. So, super versatile, great unit. Anyone will love them in their shop. Highly recommend. And last but not least, when all else fails, you're ace in the hole this holiday season. What's better than a virtual gift card? You can preload it with any set amount and send it to your loved one so they can shop at Eastwood.com. Again, super easy, incredibly convenient. If you're like me and you're extremely picky, you'll love a gift card so you can make those important decisions yourself. Well, there you have it, folks. A few of the top options that come to mind off our holiday gift guide. But remember, I barely scratched the surface. To see everything that we have available, be sure to visit Eastwood.com and check out the full holiday gift guide for yourself.